Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for study abroad with World Endeavors step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the World Endeavors website. Look for the Study Abroad section on the homepage. Click on the link to explore available programs. Take your time to read through the program descriptions. Identify the program that best meets your academic and career goals. Once you've chosen a program, click on the Apply Now button. You'll be directed to the registration page. Fill out the basic information form, including your name, email address, and phone number. Ensure all details are accurate before moving on. After submitting the initial form, you'll receive a confirmation email. Check your email for this confirmation to verify your registration. Next, log into your World Endeavors account using the credentials provided in the email. Complete your profile by providing additional information, including your academic background. Upload any required documents, such as a transcript or personal statements. Review all uploaded documents for clarity and completeness. Once you've finished your profile, navigate to the application section for your selected program. Fill out the application form thoroughly, ensuring all fields are completed. Pay special attention to any essay questions, as these are important for your application. After completing the application, submit it for review. You'll receive an email notification confirming the submission. Be patient while your application is reviewed by the World Endeavors team. If additional information is needed, they will reach out to you via email. Once your application is approved, you'll receive further instructions. Follow these instructions carefully to finalize your registration. Make arrangements for any necessary pre-departure orientations or meetings. Congratulations on taking the first step toward your study abroad adventure with World Endeavors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.